What's up, everybody? This is Maris Hernandez. Welcome to my channel. Buen dia, what's up? So my gear of choice was my A7R2 with the Sony 85, the R2 transmitter, an MV filter, and the Explorer 600. Also 36 or 38 inch photo DX octabox. Before I go into more information, I could have shot in this shoot with just the AD200 or the Evolve 200, whichever you prefer to call it. Just because when I arrived to the shoot, it was pure sunny, then it just went away behind the clouds. So I shot in TTL, which with the Explorer, it could bring the power lower. For some reason, I don't know why, but I just love that you have that capability with the TTL and the Explorer. Now here are my 4 reasons why every photographer should learn these type of styles. Every photographer should learn how to shoot with an ND filter. If you don't have one, I highly suggest getting one, especially a Vario ND filter. That way it gets dark and you can see my hand. That way you can control how much light you want in coming to your sensor. So basically, an ND filter was mainly used for high-speed sync before high-speed sync was actually introduced. So when I used to shoot Canon 6D, my shutter speed was 1/25th. With my A7R2, I believe it was 1/200 or 1/250th. But for this video, I shot at 1/25th, just for those that don't have that shutter speed limit access, if that makes sense. I also shot traditional flash, which for this case of the shoot, this would have been perfect for it. Probably at full power, or maybe half power, but with the Explorer, I had to bring it down to -3 TTL. So yeah, this would have done the job. Like a F8, F10, around there in that area, the traditional flash. As for fashion, as they do in fashion, I believe every photographer should learn that type of style. And every photographer should definitely, before you bring a flash into anything, should learn natural light. Try to perfect your natural light. It could be air dust style, whatever you want to call it, moody, whichever you prefer, but just learn as much as you can how to use the sun to your advantage, and even how to use the shadow to your advantage when you want to hide from the sun, because it's just too powerful, and you don't want to raise your shutter speed because you want some motion. Then you could also bring an ND filter for that type of situation. And I also have the capability of using high-speed sync, which my flashes are capable of it. So my camera can go over my sync speed limit. So in this case, my A7R2 goes 1/8000. So if I want to make it super dramatic, I can. Now for that, I would need the Explorer in my case. Or depending what I want to go with, I can use the Explorer, or I can use 2 Evolves with a twin head and get that same amount of power. For travel purposes, I like to travel light. So I usually bring my AD200, my ND filter. I'll probably bring another AD200 with a twin head just in case I need extra power. Or if not, I replace the Fernesso head with the bulb to give me a little more power. And in this case, if I need more power and high-speed sync is not giving me the power that I need, I just go straight flash, use the ND filter, and I can still shoot wide open, like at 1.8, 1.4, 2.0, to get the that depth of field that you want. video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And comment below which style you prefer more. Natural light, straight flash, the traditional way, shooting with the ND filter, or high-speed sync. I personally like all four, but I shoot more high-speed sync and natural light. Just my preference, and with an ND filter. It all depends on my mood, to be honest. But yeah, comment below. Tell me which one you prefer, what style you prefer the most. If you haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description. All the gear that I use for this shoot are in the description. I'm an Amazon affiliate, so if you use any of my links, I greatly appreciate it. That way I can create more content for you guys. Hope I explained it good enough and not in depth. If not, let me know in the comment below. Tell me what you missed or what you didn't understand, and I'll try to elaborate the best I can. With that being said, I'm going to leave you with a little cinema, and see you in the next one.
Back in the day.
If you have any questions, let me know. Description below. If you have any questions, let me know. Yo, what the? Give it a thumbs up and comment, or he gets it.